Hello, this is Brant Friesen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's dedicated to entrepreneurs, company owners, and their teams who want to achieve their best possible future and maximize profits, cash flow, return on equity, and company value. The videos I'm presenting on my channel are based on my high leverage policy playbook that I've developed over more than 45 years of working with growth mode companies in a wide variety of industries. My playbook is based on two pillars: 3D rapid test and validation simulations and a systems mindset. This focus carries over to my videos. They are a combination of systems thinking to show you how to identify the high leverage points in the systems that make up your operating, investing, and finance activities, and the development of high leverage policies that are tested in my Profit Lever Pro 3D Rapid Test and Validation Simulator. The videos illustrate systems mindset principles and include company case studies from industries that I've firsthand experience with and industries that I've researched. My commitment is to respond to your comments and questions as quickly as possible. I look forward to writing and presenting videos on topics that are pressing for you, so feel free to let me know what you would like covered in the comments section or by sending me an email. Stay tuned for my 3-part series, Moneyball for Entrepreneurs, Be Fast with Your Stats, and my 5-part series on 10 universal high leverage points. In Moneyball for Entrepreneurs, I cover the 3D mindset, percentage mindset, and the return on equity mindset. In the 10 high leverage points, I cover customer categories and channels, pricing, value, and market share ranking, product and service drum, product and service performance ranking, backlogs and front logs, tech stack investments, and equipment and facility investments, vendor relationships, and bank relationships. To like this video and subscribe to my Brant Friesen YouTube channel, click the links below. Also, I look forward to reading and responding to your comments. Feel free to let me know which topics are benefiting you and your teams and other topics that you would like to cover in upcoming videos. Click on this link for access to Brant Friesen courses and free resources, or to work with me or book a demo of the Profit Lever Pro simulator and links to more Brant Friesen videos for entrepreneurs.